I think it's one of the fastest growing areas right now. When I was starting out in this space, there were no marketplaces, no brokers, nothing. The only way to buy a website would be either to email the owner directly or go on a forum and try to see if anyone is selling, like on a webmaster forum. Nowadays, it's become so much more evolved, but at the same time, it's still very much in its infancy, so there are many opportunities and gaps available. The average multiples right now for online businesses are somewhere around 3 times the annual profit. Sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less. There is variation, but I would say that's more or less the average. And that means that you are getting 33% return annually right away when you acquire a business. So there are not that many options to get a return like that. And additionally, it's really important that the skills play a major role here. So someone who doesn't know what they are doing is very unlikely to be successful with buying and growing an online business, while someone who is very experienced would be a lot more likely to succeed in that. So there are certain risks and there is some unpredictability, but generally the skill, the expertise play a major role in that. And so I think it's a really good opportunity for investors who are looking to diversify their portfolio because it's growing rapidly. The multiples are growing right now, so you can buy at one multiple and a few years later possibly sell at a substantially higher multiple. Yeah. There are many deals available, and the market is still quite inefficient. So if you know how to identify those inefficiencies, you can benefit quite a bit.
Yeah, I totally agree. It's still very much in its infancy, really. I mean, that's what I always tell people as well. It's like, you know, what investment have you got where in like 3 years you can kind of get your money back, like, and still have the asset? Like, you basically double your money in kind of 3 years. Really, you know, people overcomplicate this whole process of building sites, but really what it comes down to is keyword research, create good content, build some links when you need some authority further down the road. It's not rocket science, really.